Alright, so real quick, these are the two trades. This trade I took, this one I missed, but I'm gonna get to that in a little bit. So basically, on the daily chart, we were still in this consequent encroachment right here, at like 10 a.m. So on the 5 minute, there wasn't really anything going on, but the technical part of it, I realized was this, right? So we had sell side right here. Asia happened. We took out we took sell side during London, and then we took buy side during New York. So when this happened, my bias was okay. We were bullish, right? But at the same time, I realized that since we took buy side, there was also an opportunity for price to come take out sell side over here. It's just price doing what price could do, right? So I had kind of like a 50-50 in my mind. I wasn't really looking at buys or sells, but then we had sell side right here taken out at this right here. So and then we broke structure, but this was news right here. At 7 a.m. we tapped into a 5 minute fair value gap right here. And when we did that, I said, my thought process was, okay, so we just took out buy side right here. We took out buy side. And when it came down like this right here is kind of like a market structure shift right here. You might not classify it as one, but I do. It's like a low, and then it created a high, and then it broke the low, so that's market structure shift. And when it did that, I saw this fair value gap right here, and I was gonna get in right there, but I didn't. I just didn't, because I didn't want my stop loss to be 8 pips. Just me being me, classic Keenan. So when it did that, I was like, okay, so it's respecting bearish order flow. So let me get in right here. Okay, and listen, in the heat of the moment, this felt right to me, because I was like, okay, there's sell side right here. We took out sell side, then we took out buy side, so there's more. There's a chance for it to take out more sell side. Okay, listen, don't judge me. Okay, I literally got railed in the span of a minute and a half. Okay, I got in like right here, put my stop above here, and then this is when I realized, okay, we're definitely going bullish. So I waited a little bit. I could have taken this fair value gap, but this wasn't a proper market structure shift for me. It didn't break above this high right here, so I didn't want to take that. And then when price did this candle right here was like the market telling me, yeah, we're going bullish. Okay, so once it market structure shifted like that with this candle right here, I planned to get in right here. It technically never even tapped the fair value gap, but on MT4, I actually saw it tap, so I thought it tapped on TradingView, so I was trying to get in, right? This is more of like a technical issue. It didn't let me get in. I even tried getting in up here when prices was up here. I was okay with even widening my stops, but yeah, price just wanted to fuck me over, and that's exactly what it did. So, not price, but fucking MetaTrader, okay? It wasn't all my fault. That shit was tripping, okay? I really tried. I really did. So today would have been a positive day if MT4 didn't do that bullshit to me, but it's okay, man. I'm not really tripping about it. I saw the setup. I thought it was a good setup, and I literally took it, but it just didn't let me. So it is what it is. I saw the same thing for GU. It played out really nicely, but unfortunately, I didn't get in because I was busy messing around with EU, and I was also getting a little bit intertwined with, okay, it's kind of respecting this right here. What if this is a market structure shift? Like, what if it's not gonna go up? Like, it's just shit that goes in your head, right? But I think this just comes to show that I just have to keep trusting my setup, man. Because like, if I don't trust my setup, I'm never gonna take the good ones and the winning runs and the ones that have a lot of pips in it, right? So it's something I'm definitely working on. Okay, don't judge me. Okay. So yeah, this was my bias for today. At first it was bullish, then it turned bearish, but then when it did this was like, okay, I'm bullish now. Okay. And especially because I love trades like these where it's respecting the consequent encroachment of like a daily, because you can kind of tell like price might go here, but then when it gives a move in the direction you want it to go, it's like, okay, I'm really certain about it now, and that's what happened today. So I switched from bearish to bullish pretty quickly after that, and yeah, that's what happened. I didn't take any trades after that because I'm just a scaredy cat, and it's also 11 a.m. Eastern. It's 8 a.m. PST, so I don't take trades past 8 a.m. So yeah, it's those were today's trades. I'll put them right here again so you can see what they were. This one right here, this was the only trade I took, okay? And then I tried to take a long right here, but I didn't get filled. So this is the only trade I took today, so kind of a stupid loss, but at the same time, I had logic to it, but at the same time, I didn't. So I just have to be aware of what I'm doing, okay? I have to be more alert about what price is doing currently, not about just what I want it to do. So I just have to really see what the market's trying to do. Okay. There's also another thing. I don't know why I'm selling in a premium, because like this is technically a premium, or selling. Yeah, I'm selling in a premium. Okay. So like this would be a discount. This would be a premium. I'd have to wait. If I even wanted to sell, I'd have to wait till it got up here. Okay. So, it's just little things like that you'll miss. So, you have to be very aware of where you're buying and selling. So, yeah, those were my 2 trades for today, or almost 2 trades. This is my only trade. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed something out of this video. Hope you got some value out of it. Hope you learned something out of it. And if not, doesn't matter. Peace.